Good morning, everyone. Party workers donated bird on the birthday of former CM and Union Minister Manohar Lal. Dadri MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan and Barda MLA Umed Patwas honored them by putting badges Charkhe Dadri. BJP workers donated bird in a camp organized at the party office in Dadri on the birthday of former Haryana Chief Minister and Union Minister Manohar Lal. During this, Dadri MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan and Barda MLA Umed Patwas honored the works to who donated bird by putting badges on them. Along with this, wishing Union Minister Manohar Lal on his birthday, he wished for his bright future. Later, both the MLAs reached the fire station premises and also planted trees on the birthday of Union Minister Manohar Lal. Workers and officials from across the district reached the BJP district party office on Monday in the bird donation camp of Union Minister Manohar Lal. In the presence of District President Sunil Engineer, MLA Umed Patwas and Sunil Satpal Sangwan encouraged the youth and inspired them to donate bird to save the lives of others. Women also donated bird in the camp. During the program, MLA Umed Patwas and MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan told the Punjab government's move on the Punjab-Haryana water distribute unfortunate. They said that Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann is playing dirty politics. Everyone has a right on water and everyone should get water. Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini is making every effort and Haryana will get its rightful share of water soon. The MLA said that there is definitely a water crisis. The Haryana government is also making every effort to bring water on this occasion. Sunita Dangi, Rajesh Soni, Susila Fogart, Ashok Pawar, Ravinder Silgar, Ajay Chahar, Nagar Panchayat Chairman Baksiram Saini, Councillor Vinod Balmiki, Praveen Saini, Dr. Sanjeev Madhya, Ombir Mehrana and Kuldeep Fogart Gandhi extra present there. A meaningful step towards love for nature, a unique initiative of Wall of Happiness. Hand pump dedicated to the mute animals in this season of scorching heat while humans arrange water for themselves. The mute birds and animals often crave for every drop of water. Keeping this serious concern in mind, the Wall of Happiness campaign has taken a commendable initiative. Those places in the district are being identified where there is a lot of water problem in summer, so that water arrangements can be ensured for the mute animals there. Under this initiative, those animate personalities of the district are being remembered who have excellent work for the society and the city. In their memory were the old ponds, the old hand pumps are closed in the bad condition. Any eminent personalities of the district are being remembered who have excellent work for the society and the city. In their memory where the old ponds, the old head pumps are lying closed in bad condition. This work is being dedicated to them by installing head pumps there. In the same series today, a new head pump was installed in the memory of former Cooperative Minister late Satpal Sangwan ji near the place of an old damaged well located on Kalyana Road. This step not only honors their contribution but also symbolizes our responsibility towards the society. For now, Wall of Happiness has set a target of installing hand pumps at 11 places in the district so that birds, animals and other living creatures can also get relief from this scorching heat. This noble work was started in the presence of Satveer Singh Bengali and others. During the program, he appealed to all citizens to also participate in this campaign. He said that safety and convenience of not only humans but every living creature on this earth is our responsibility. Let us all together nature and purchase the thirst of violences inhibited. Satvir Singh Bengali said that this effort of Khushiyon Ki Diwar is not only an example of social concern but also an inspirational message for the coming generations. True service is that which takes care of nature and animals along with humans.
सत्यवीर सिंह बंगाली, वार्ड नंबर 14। तो मैं खुशियों की दीवार से जुड़ रहा हूँ और खुशियों की दीवार के सहायता से हमने आज यहाँ पर एक कल्याणा रोड पे बर्मा लगवाया है, जो कि मंत्री जी स्वर्गीय श्री सतपाल सांगवान जी की याद में, ताकि लोगों के दिलों में वो जिंदा रहे और यार राहगीर जो गुजरते हैं उनके लिए पानी का प्रबंध किया। या पहले बर्मा या कुआं होया करता था जिससे वही पशु पक्षी भी पानी पीते थे और राहगीर भी। अब काफ़ी सालों से यहाँ पर पानी का प्रबंध था नहीं, तो लोगों द्वारा बताया गया कि यहाँ पानी का प्रबंध नहीं है जी। हमने आज यहाँ पर एक बर्मा लगवाया है और ऐसी ही क्या उन जगह पे खुशियों की दीवार बर्मा लगवाएगी जगह चिन्हित करके।
Samadhan camp organized in the auditorium of Mini Secretariat Charkhi Dadri. Samadhan camps was organized to resolve the complaints of citizens continuously in the district. The complaints coming in these camps being organized on the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini are being resolved on a spot. On Thursday, under the guidance of Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, CTM Jitendra Kumar heard the complaints of the people in the auditorium of the Mini Secretariat and directed the concerned officials to resolve them. The concerned officials started the process of resolving these complaints on the spot. Under the initiative of the state government, Samadhan camps are now being organized on Monday and Thursday from 10 a.m. to 12 noon at the district and sub-divisional headquarters to resolve the complaints of citizens. In the Samadhan camps, complaints related to all departments are being resolved under one roof. Farmers should adopt micro-irrigation system for water conservation. Farmers should adopt micro-irrigation system because micro-irrigation system saves 70% of water, which can prove to be effective in promoting water conservation. Special schemes are being run by the government for farmers adopting micro-irrigation. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that if farmers want to leave behind natural wealth in the form of pure water to their future generations, they should work on putting water conservation to itself so that other people can also become aware of the Jal Bachao Abhiyan. The government is also making people aware about the conservation of rainwater on theme Catch the Rain When It Fall Where It Fall. Under the Jal Shakti Abhiyan, he said that the government objective towards the irrigation system scheme is also to produce as much as possible with the least amount of water. Therefore, the government is providing new modern means of irrigation related to the agriculture to the farmers. The government has implemented such schemes to double the crop yield from agriculture. He said that drip irrigation system saves 70% water and this system provides water to the plants as per their requirement. In this method, provision of 85% subsidy on drip sprinkler has been made for chemical fertilizer and scheme. Apart from this, under the scheme, arrangements will be made for revival of old wells collection of roof of water micro irrigation system on dunes and 100% water management of cultivable land. Under the scheme, arrangement of micro irrigation system will be ensured for non-irrigated areas. He said that to avail the benefits of micro irrigation scheme, information can be obtained of the website mikdah.haryana.gov.in. Physical verification of agriculture equipment will be done on 7. Assistant Agriculture Engineer Manish Mehta said that under the Crop Produce Management Scheme 2024-25, the second verification of the farmer who had purchased agriculture equipment and whose first physical verification has been done on 13 November 2024 will done on 7. For this, the farmers of Dadri Jhoju to reach the new vegetable market, Dadri and farmers of Barda have to reach the new grain market with their machines for verification. The work of physical verification will be started from 8:30 a.m. After the second verification, the outstanding 30% subsidy will be paid. Youth and students should take advantage of the government Gyan Post service. Gyan Post service implemented across the country from. Students and youth should take advantage of government Gyan Post service. A new postal service Gyan Post has been implemented by the Ministry of Communications Department of the Post of the government of the from. One Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that this service will prove to be very useful for students, educational institutions, youth preparing for competitive examinations and socio-culture institutions. Under this service, books and teaching material can be sent and low rates. This service is especially for those books which are prescribed in the curriculum by government recognized education boards, universities and autonomous bodies and statutory bodies under the government are related to social culture and religious content are used in the preparation of various competitive examinations. Referring to the features of the Gyan Post service, he said that clear mention of Gyan Post is necessary on the packet. The weight limit has been fixed from 300 grams to 5 kilograms. Postal charges will be from 20 to 100 rupees depending on the weight. He said that only printed, legally published books will be accepted. Professional commercial material will not be allowed. All Gyan Post items will be takeable. Additional services like registration, proof of delivery and insurance value additional will also be available on payment of prescribed fee. He said that this step of the Ministry of Communication Department of Post is an effort to strengthen the access to educational and culture knowledge even the digital age. This service will make access to knowledge cheap and simple, especially for students in rural areas and with limited resources. He said that for more information and booking, contact the nearest post office. Private schools will have to upload the details of students on the link by 15. Under the Chirag scheme, free education is to be provided the students of classes 5 to 12. Charkhi Dadri. Under the Chief Minister Haryana Equal Education Relief Assistance and Grant Chirag scheme, free education is to be provided to the children of poor families in recognized private school from class 5 to 12 in the academic year 2025-26, for which the Directorate of Elementary Education has made link the 11/7/2039 Chirag live till 15/2025 to upload detail of the student admitted on the seat shown by private schools on the departmental website. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that instructions have been given to the concerned schools to update the details of the students on the link issued by department and MIS by 15. In this regard, all the district education officers and district elementary education officers of the state have been informed by writing a letter. He said that the officers should ensure to get daily report of data update from the schools and inform that the Directorate of Education so that the claim of reimbursement amount of the immediate students can be issued to the school as per data update. Under the Chai Yojana, the approved recognized private school were to receive applications from students 15 March 2025. The admission process was to be completed from 1st April 2025 and 30 April 2025. So thank you very much for this watching PPT News, and I am humble request friends, please subscribe our channel. So take care, bye, see ya, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal, jai hind, jai bharat, take care.